Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a designer, photographer, writer, freelancer, or student, having a professional portfolio is a game changer. In this video, I will show you how to create stunning portfolio using Canva step by step. Whether you need it for a job application, clients, or personal branding, this tutorial will help you create a portfolio that stands out. So, why you need a portfolio? A portfolio is more than just a collection of your work. It's your visual resume. It helps you showcase your skills and creativity, attract potential clients or employers, stand out from the competitions. And the best part, you don't need to be a design expert because Canva makes it super easy. First of all, let's open canva.com. You can use the free versions. In the search bar, type portfolio, then enter. Choose from hundreds of pre-made templates or start from scratch like that. Every professional portfolio should include these key sections: your name and profession, example, like that, a high quality profile picture, logo, about me section, who you are and what you do, your skills, experience, and passion, a short engaging bio, projects and work samples. Showcase uh, 5 to 10 of your best works. Use high quality images and descriptions. Explain the process and results. This social media design boosted engagement by 40%. Add client testimonials if available. Skills or tools. List relevant skills like graphic design, web development, content writing, etc. Mention tools you use like Photoshop, Canva, Figma, etc. Contact information, email and social media, or your phone number, website or LinkedIn profile. Customizing your portfolio in Canva. Change font, font size, color. Upload and insert your work sample from upload section. Then click upload and upload your work samples. Use canvas elements like icon, shapes, frames, and background from elements section. Maintain consistency, same font, style, and spacing throughout. Once your portfolio is ready, it's time to export and share it. Click on share button and choose download. Select PDF from file type section or for printing, select PDF print. You can also export as a website. Canva lets you publish it online. Share your portfolio via email, LinkedIn, or your website. Before we wrap up, here are some extra tips to make your portfolio even better. Keep it short and impactful. Focus on high quality over quantity. Update your portfolio regularly. Add a call to action. Example, let's work together. Email me at your email. And that's it. Now you know how to create a professional portfolio using Canva in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe